One girl. One car. Giant puddle.
This is one fucked up storm. There's flooding. It's Philly. We don't know where we're going. We don't know what we want to do.
I heard there's a nice puddle over here. You want to go this way?
Oh, you suck.
Already? Ready?
Ah.
But it's going south.
Masha wants adventure.
Adventure. What's this way?
Oh my god.
Oh, it's somebody's house now. Oh, wait, is this a one-way?
It's a two-way. It's Philly. It's a two-way.
Somebody tell me.
Tulpahawken.
I'm gonna go this way. Oh, this is do not enter.
I wouldn't enter.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Damn, it's a river.
A river.
Rolling, 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 rolling on a river. Nice.
Oh, look, hydroplaning.
Woo!
Look right there, right there.
Woo!
Oh, this is probably not a good idea. More!
Oh, you hear that thunder and the lightning and the stuff and the stuff?
I just want to be able to stop my car. Look at that. We shouldn't go that way.
Oh, that's a
I
river.
fell down. My GPS.
Oh my god, look at this. The way it's flooding the sewer. It's pretty. Alright. I still